Happy Facebook Live Friday. I'm Mystique. I'm Stephanie, client liaison, and I'm here with Dina.
Hi everyone, how are you? Happy Friday.
Happy Friday, everyone. Now, as you guys saw, Dina actually received Voluma last Friday on our Facebook Live, if you guys were paying attention. Now, we have a couple of questions for Dina. Now, Dina, did you do anything to prepare for Voluma?
Nope, I didn't have to do anything to prepare for Voluma.
Now, did it hurt getting the treatment?
It does not hurt. People think it's going to hurt, but it actually did not hurt. If you are sensitive to needles, they take really good care of you, and they will make sure that they give you some ice, or they just take time to slow down and help you out. But for me, it was easy peasy.
Wow, and how long did the treatment take?
It takes about 30 minutes. It's really fast, quick. We asked, where she asked me a lot of questions, so we spent time getting to know exactly what I wanted for my face. So it can take a little bit longer, but it can be shorter as well.
Oh, wow. So not too long, about 30 minutes or
about
so.
30 minutes, yeah.
Now, how many syringes did you receive for the treatment?
I received 2 syringes that day.
Okay. So, and what was the worst part about getting the treatment, and why?
There was nothing bad about the treatment. The treatment was amazing. The nurses here are amazing. You feel really comfortable, and I wouldn't say there was anything bad about it. If you're scared of needles, that would be the only thing. I'm not. But I would just talk to your nurse and just let them know, and they'll make you comfortable.
Of course, of course. Now, was there any downtime associated with the treatment?
So one thing I had to learn is that I had to sit up for 4 hours after the treatment. So I just make sure that I have computer work, or I'm doing things around the house, that I'm going to be sitting up instead of laying down. And then no working out for 24 hours. And if you know what I do for a living, I have to schedule my appointments around knowing that I can't work out for 24 hours. Something that was really awesome that I've never done before, and I have only been comfortable with my team here at Mystique Medical Spa, is I had a photo shoot the next day, and I was able to do it. It was not an exercise photo shoot, but there was a lot of posing, and my face looked phenomenal. I actually thought I should do it every time before I have a photo shoot. So they turned out great.
Oh my God, you guys. If she had a photo shoot the very next day, I mean, that pretty much says a lot right there, right? Wow. And now with the treatment, when did you see results? Was it immediate, or when did you see those results?
Well, I definitely got to see my lips were definitely larger the next day, but you'll have a little bit of swelling. It looked great. It actually looked beautiful. The cheekbones were more defined. I could see that. And then the Botox, it usually takes a few days for you to notice the Botox kick in. But I would say overall, when I left that day, you definitely
saw it right away.
Yeah.
I agree. Definitely. Now, did you experience any side effects with Voluma?
No,
not at all?
No.
Oh my God, that's actually really, really good. Now, were you able to return to your normal activity after the appointment?
Other than the exercise, as I just suggested. Yeah, I mean, that's just so much part of my life that I do have to make sure that I schedule my appointments around that. They've been great here, to accommodate, making sure that I can come in on a day that I'm not going to have to exercise the next day. And that's it, really. It's been one of the best things that I've done for slowing down the aging process for me and feeling good in my skin. I'm going to turn 44 next week, so we did an amazing giveaway special that you'll get to see or hear who the winners are here soon. But 44 next week, which is kind of scary and weird all at the same time. But I feel better now at 44 than I did in my 20s for multiple reasons, but definitely for everything that I get done here.
Oh, thank you so much. We love having you here, Dina. Now, big question. Would you recommend any of your family members or friends to have Voluma?
Yes, all the time.
Yes.
All the time. I recommend it all the time. And not in a negative way, but I just think it makes you feel good. And when you look in the mirror and you want to smile, and you are not looking at every little line that shows up. I mean, there's beauty in aging, and if that's something that you love as well, that's great. But there's also techniques and treatments out there that can help, slow it down, if that's what your choice is too. So I think it's whatever makes you happy. And for me right now in my life, I really, really love the Voluma.
Aww. You guys, if you guys are interested in Voluma, we do free consultations. All you have to do is just give us a call. It's 447 laser, and we're more than happy to answer any questions that you guys may have. Now, as Dina said, we do have 2 winners for Voluma, and it's very exciting. It's over a $4,000 value. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. So we have the first winner. Her name is Cindy. Cindy C. Congratulations. Yay. And then we have Sharon. Sharon, congratulations. Please call us within a week, so before next Friday, to redeem your prize. And again, the phone number is 447 laser. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Dina, for being here today.
Of course. See, we don't give you cake. We give you Voluma to celebrate my birthday. So come and get a great birthday present. And think about me when you're doing it, when you look in the mirror. And I'm just so grateful for you guys. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. And you guys have a great weekend. Thank you. Bye.